Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You go to source for mastering your tech at home. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest videos. In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to display real-time network speed right on the status bar of your Samsung phone. This nifty feature lets you monitor your internet speed on the go, whether you're downloading, streaming, or just browsing. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to ensure your Samsung phone is up to date, as this feature might not be available on older versions of the software. Once you've checked for any software updates and installed them, we're good to go. Swipe down from the top of your screen to access the quick panel. Here you'll find a bunch of quick settings and notifications, but what we're looking for today isn't here by default. We'll need to dive a bit deeper. Tap on the three dots in the upper right corner of the quick panel to open the menu. Then select Quick Panel Layout. This might be named slightly different depending on your model, so keep an eye out for similar terms. In the Quick Panel Layout settings, look for an option labeled Show Network Speed or Network Speed Indicator. Once you find it, simply switch the toggle to the on position, and that's it. You'll now see the real-time network speed displayed in the upper right corner of your screen near the signal indicators.